Hello everyone, my name is Angel Igareta, I'm part of Team 11 and today we are presenting you our Avoin virus tracker solution for COVID-19. During the hackathon we got to talk with our THL representative and after doing a bit of research we found out that THL is currently hiring hundreds of healthcare workers just for the task of manual tracking of COVID positive patients. So in this line we tackle three issues. The first problem is the high need of healthcare workers, the so-called corona detective, because it's crucial when a patient is infected to know the people that it might be infected to, especially in super spreaders. Did you know that in Hong Kong, for example, a super spreader passed the virus to 37 people? This is very risky. And finally, many approaches in this line track a lack of privacy options, so we are going to overcome this problem. Our solution will be based in providing software to healthcare workers with the goal of automating manual tracking when a patient is positive in COVID-19. Nowadays, this process is done manually through the use of very long phone calls. For example, where were you last Tuesday? Who did you have lunch with on Wednesday? Or did you return to your house by bus, by taxi? This takes too much time for both sides, so we're going to reduce the healthcare workload and try to retrieve this essential information automatically. Our product will have a very positive impact on pandemic management. First, it will help reduce the spread of COVID-19 through a more efficient tracking of potentially infected people, then reduce the manual tracking of healthcare workers, and is available worldwide as it's open source, so everyone can adapt it to the national healthcare system, and if needed, buy tailor-made features for allowing.
This is a demo about the patient app. The corona positive patient receives an SMS and it gets to answer questions either online, SMS, or voice call depending on his or her preference. The purpose is to find out profile of the patient first of all. So we are gonna look for the workplace. We're gonna ask the user for the workplace, the events that the user might have been, the age, the weight, and some essential information that the coronavirus trackers need. And then we are going to go through the contacts, social networks, or location. And we have two modes, manual or automatic. If the user gives us permission, we will look to these networks or to this permission automatically in order to suggest several contacts. If in any of the cases the user doesn't give us permissions, we're going to indicate instructions on how to look for this information so the user can indicate people, the potentially infected people that might have coronavirus positive to send to the virus trackers.
This is a Boeing virus tracker panel. It helps trackers to prioritize which patients and contacts to track based on the profiles, including occupation and health condition. Employees of elderly homes are pre-assigned into the system for speed tracking when necessary. Includes easy anonymous metrics that can be given to media to reduce manual time spent on public information shared. There is also a superadmin. All data is stored and the superadmin has access to it in order to control that trackers are not violating privacy. Regarding our business model, Avoin is a registered non-profit association based on Finland since 2018. The main purpose is to develop professional software to help the society through open source license. Now we ask EIT Digital to partner and find a Boeing virus tracker to pilot its use with National Institute for Health and Welfare in Finland and privately elderly homes such as Attendo. The revenue streams come from a base fee from DHL and elderly homes. All the revenue goes to developing and maintaining high quality and privacy secure service globally. During Ultra Hack, we actively talk with THL data expert Christian and our business mentor Joanny. As a result, we created the user interface that you have seen. Now we are in a crucial stage. If the funding gets secured now, beta release will be in 6 months. We expect to be funding at least the half at the beginning and half after the beta release, reviewed by the funder, which we hope is EIT Digital. Avoin team in charge for developing the solution further is Otso, chairman of Avoin based in Finland, Angel, me myself, EIT digital student and product designer in this product, and Yari, visual designer based in Finland. Furthermore, we have further contributors such as Vittoria and Omar that could help bring virus tracker to Italian and French markets. Thank you very